Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a print quality test page on a HP Envy 5644. Now this can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found here. So if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, you can return to it by pressing the home button, which will be lit up there. But assuming you're here, use the touch screen and we scroll along to setup, press in. Then we need to go to the bottom here, past printer maintenance to reports. Click into that, and here the second option down is the print quality report. Press it again. Now this will take the printer just a minute, and assuming you've got paper in there, you'll be presented with a page that looks something like this. Now as you can see, the printer's broken down the black, cyan, magenta and yellow used by the two cartridges in your printer, demonstrating its ability to print those colours in different shades. And you can also use these blocks to look for any stripes or anything you're getting in there, assuming you've got all four colours. If you are unlucky and you have some stripes in there, I'd recommend doing some cleaning cycles from the printer, which we have a video for on our channel also. But that's about all there is to see here. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.